we are on Lead Code. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and today we are on Lead Code with another problem from Lead Code Easy Section Problems. So today's problem is linked list cycle. So let us move to the problem statement. And today is day 33 of Lead Code Solving Easy Section Problem. So the problem statement given is given the head of a linked list, determine if the linked list has a cycle in it. There is a cycle in a linked list if there is some node in that list that can be reached again by continuously following the next pointer. Internally, position is used to denote the index of the node that tail's next pointer is connected to. Note that position is not passed as a parameter. Return true if there is a cycle in the linked list, otherwise return false. So we are given a linked list and we need to return whether it has a cycle in it. So normally the linked list with a cycle we are given a uh, position which denotes the index of the nodes, index of the node, uh, which is tails next node. So this is the position where the tails next node is pointing to. So it is not given to us, but what we need to do is we need to check whether a linked list have a cycle in it or not. So that is our problem statement, and let us start. So if suppose the given head is itself null, then we need not to go through anything, and we will just return false. That's right. Now, if that is not the case, then we will declare two pointers, which will be of list node type. So one will be slow PTR, slow pointer, and that will be pointing towards head. Another will be fast pointer. Initially, that will be also pointing towards the head. Now we will create a loop, and in the loop we will have exit condition. While the fast pointer does not become equals to null, PTR does not become equals to null, or its next value does not become equals to null. So while it doesn't, we will move the slow pointer one ahead of its current position. So SPTR will move one position ahead of it, and the fast pointer will move two, two position ahead of it. PTR equals to its next value. And after that we will have a condition. We will check whether the two pointers that we have is equal or not. If that become equal, then we will just return it has a cycle. And if the loop exits without having that condition, then we will just return false. So let us simulate our solution first. So initially both fast fast pointer and slow pointer is pointing to head, the first node. So then the slow pointer goes to the next one, and the fast pointer moves twice and goes to zero. So now fast pointer is at zero and slow pointer is at two. So slow pointer will now go to zero and fast pointer will go from zero to minus four and then again. So now the slow pointer is at zero and fast pointer has gone to 2. Now slow pointer will go to minus 4, and from 2 the fast pointer will move twice, so 1 and twice, and it will again go to minus 4. Now here it will get into inside this condition because both of them, fast pointer and slow pointer, has become equal now. So it will enter this condition and it will return true because it has a cycle. And if it didn't have a cycle, then the fast pointer would have become equals to null before only. So before it had hit this condition. So that's how our solution is going to work, and let us run our code first. It says we have an error. Oh, we missed a star here. That's it. It has got accepted. Let us submit also. Access. Oh, okay. It will be fast pointers next. Oh, we missed it. Not here. Inside the condition. Let us submit again. Let's see. Okay, there is only one value inside the linked list, and we are checking if that is equals to null or not, or should be and, right? Both of the conditions should hold. Okay, let us run. Let us submit also. So our solution has been accepted. And if you like my solution, then please subscribe to my channel. Or if you have a better solution or a suggestion, then please put it in comment box. Thank you for watching.